to our channel and just watch our drip. Watch our drip. The race. Watch our drip. The race. Hi, I'm Regina.
I'm Sandy. And today we're learning how to twerk.
This is my hips. Why are we doing this again?
I know I'm doing it. Oh, my booty not moving like that. Still.
My stomach is twerking. But my booty ain't.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. You got muscle spasm. Shoot, this is hard as you.
That's some hard work, girl. But I gotta get the motion in the ocean.
Okay.
Arch.
Arch back. My hips out.
Is my hips out, Regina?
I'm looking at your ass. I don't know. How come we don't look like her?
No.
I need a fan. We ready. She said we ready. Drop it like it's hot. Hands on your knees. So how about this? I got a rule for the women. Rule for the wise. Don't drink mimosas and try to do a twerk video after 50, I'm just saying.
It's exercise.
Okay, so we're gonna practice, we're gonna get better though. But here's to millennials, you got that. You got that. I'd rather just do Cabbage Patch.
I gotta get my motion to the ocean right.
Oh, Lord.
I'm hanging.
Okay.
Woo!
That's a bye.
Subscribe to our channel and just watch our drip.
Watch our drip.